And on the rich text box, we just need to be able to list all of these and just paste them in there. So we double click on receipt and we enter. Okay, for the rich text box, first of all, let's give it a name. I'm going to come back here, just give it a name. I will call it RT receipt. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, copy that, double click that on the receipt again and come right down here. RT receipt dot append text, and the text that I would like you to append would be as follows. The very first one is going to be this very one. What is it called? It has no name, it's just called label. I think it would have been ideal for us to give it a name. That would have been good. So let's assume I want to give it a name. I'm just going to call it BTN bread item, or item bread. Okay, let's come in here and say item bread. Okay, I think that's much better. Right, so grab that, and this is number, and why this one is just okay. Oh, now go back in there. So in there we have item bread dot text, and I'm going to just enter, and in there to get a space, let's say and space, or we can even use a tab. Right, let's try a tab out. VB tab. Then, and the next one is going to be number bread dot value. Yeah. Then the next one is, let's grab a tab as well. That would be for the cost. And this is going to be LBL bread dot text. So that is my very first one. I'm going to say and BB new line. Where's new line? Go to new line for me. Yeah, that's fine. So let's just try that out and see how that is going to work. Okay, click on receipt. First of all, let's enter some value in there. Click on receipt. There we go. Okay, but supposing we do have some value inside the receipt before, I can always clear that out anyway. RT receipt dot clear before we enter another value in there. And up here I need some text on it. Paste that in there. That'll be for the text. The very first text is going to be this one. So what is the name of that candidate? That is 11. Grab that, go in there. This is, what number is this? That is 11. This is 12 and 13. So come right in here. 11, label 11, label 13. No, that's 12. And this is going to be label 13. There, this is not a value, it's a text. There we go. So this should take care of my, yeah, they should do. That's fine. Now, one other thing, let's increase the font size of this to something a bit readable so that we can see it. Maybe about 20. Bold. Yeah. Run. And let's wait for that. Come on. Enter some value. Click. Let's receipt. There we go. I think 20 is too large. Alright, let's do something about that. Okay, we'll do some. I think it's because these texts are just too large, that's why. Okay, we reduce it. Let's finish up with the rest anyway. Now we know what to do. Come back in here. Let's grab this. That is going to be for rice, beans, wine, and milk. Now let's change. This is rice. And here it's going to be rice as well. This is rice. This, oh, what's the name of that guy? Okay, let's grab a name for that. This one here is going to be for rice, item rice. So I'm just going to repeat exactly the same thing for the rest, and that'll be all. I'll be right back. Okay, all done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of the appearance by adding extra tab to each of them. So I'm going to just copy one of these, copy and paste the tab here. Let's find a way to reduce the size so that you can see it. One more here. There. Repeat the same thing for this, and let's just speed that up. Alright, it's all taken care of now. Let me just reduce it a little bit. That is it. That's my receipt. Okay, there. So I'm going to run this, and let's enter some values. There we go. Enter whatever in there. So yeah, there, and click on total. We got the total. Let's check out our receipt. There we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. Reset. There. When we reset, we want to be able to clear all of this as well. So let's go back and go into my resets. I'm just going to copy this and paste that right inside reset here. That is my reset. So have a good look at the code. This is the code for reset. Very interesting for beginners and even intermediate and advanced learners too. Why not? That is for reset, and here individual lines of code for each of the number components, and here is the total. We should have entered total in here. Okay, let's grab this and just enter total in there. That's for total. There we go. And that's all there is to it. And these two, then exit, and the constant and variable that was the array that was declared. Okay, so take it from the top. Have a good look at it. Bring it down. That is for bread. Rice, come down here, and this is for total. That's for the total button, and that is for beans, wine, milk, resets, and finally the receipt. Let's run it one more time. There we go. So enter how many loaves of bread we want, tins of rice or bags of rice, tins. Okay, that's beans. Well, let's go for about 4 bottles of wine and milk. There we go. Total. Grab a receipt. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and this is my second channel. Please do subscribe to this channel, and that would be very nice of you guys if you subscribe. Thanks for watching. and bye for now.